Unlock your earnings potential. Join the Walmart affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracker links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart products and maximizing your earning. So let's start. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart by typing walmart.com. As you can see, Walmart is offering a range of product every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more with low prices. And as I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channel. But how we can do that? Wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. So let's talk more about affiliate program. For that, you can come to this web page, which is affiliates.walmart.com, and we have information. And if you want more details about the affiliate program, let's see what we have here. You can earn commissions by becoming a Walmart affiliate, by signing up, and we have here these three steps to start or to become an affiliate in this program. You can just here sign up, and then you connect your audience to products they love, and then you will earn your money. Here we have some advantages of being member on this affiliate. You'll receive a weekly newsletter with banners, link, and information about great products to feature on your site. You'll also receive access to the affiliate member center, where you can get more banners, generate links, and get data feeds to further customize your Walmart.com referrals to your visitors. You'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account team members and all the great tools on impact reuse platform. We make it as easy as possible. That means Walmart affiliate program for you to get the most out of the program. So here we have more information about the website. We have here security and privacy. As you can see, if you want to more understand the website and more get information, you can just read the privacy and security and the terms and condition too. You can just read it, and then you will get your information. And here we have if cues that mean frequently asked questions. Here we have the question and their answer, and you can just read it to have or to get this website how works. Then we have here, let's go to the home page. Let's click on sign up to know how to start or how to become a Walmart affiliate. So first of all, we have here all you can need is fill out the information. We have here let's go to the first one is user information. You can just fill in your first name, your last name, your email, and you confirm your email address, then your username, your password, and then you confirm your password. And then the next step is your company information. You will need to write your account display name, your website, your street address, your apartment suite. It's optional, by the way. City, state, zip code, country, phone number, time zone, and the currency. Here we have your promotion and media. We have here main promotional method, secondary promotional method, promoting country. First of all, we will select our your main promotional method. We have here different method. We have here content reviews, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, social influencer, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, and cross audience monetization. So you will choose the one suits you more or the one you want to use it as affiliate. Then you will select your secondary promotional method. Is it an email marketing, for example, or a loyalty rewards program, or social media influencer, or offline methods like TV and radio. So we have here a various method you can select, and then you will go to promoting countries. But before we go to promoting countries, we will for example give or explain um, one or two of this promotional method. So let's see over here. We have here, for example, email marketing. The first one, if you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchase. And for example, let's see, or let's select, for example, social media influencer. You can use your social media channels if you have followers such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote Walmart's product, share affiliate links along with engaging captions, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. Then you will select your country, and once you've entered all the required information, review is accurate. Review your application to ensure everything is accurate. To submit your application for review, after submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboards. Here, you'll find tools and resources to help you get started with promoting Walmart's products and tracking your earnings. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboard. By following this step, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.